Well, hello there, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, ProductWise. I'm Nancy Fox. I'm CEO of Fractional Connections and ProductWise, a product development company that is guiding service professionals, service-based business owners in turning their expertise and know-how into monetizable recurring revenue and subscription-based products. So today I'm going to talk to you about a topic that I am really excited about. Today I want to share with you some ways that you can use AI to productize and monetize ways that you have never thought about before. And that will allow you to stop leaving money on the table for your competition to pick up. Well, we're going to be diving into something that AI, we know that AI is revolutionizing business in so many ways. And particularly, let's look at how it's going to be affecting the product development world. And basically, we're looking at the intersection of not only technology and productization, but AI technology and productization. So remember when bringing a new product to market could take months or even years? I mean, I certainly know that because I came from the product development world, and sometimes it would take 9 months to a year to introduce one new product. But those days are rapidly changing, and let me show you why. AI, which has many different tools and aspects to it, is transforming the traditional productization cycle in three game-changing ways. The first is it's changing the way that the way and the timing of prototyping and testing. So let me break it down for you. AI can now generate and test hundreds of product variations simultaneously. So for example, when you're developing a new software interface, AI can create multiple versions and simulate those interactions, identifying the most effective design in days instead of months. And it isn't just faster, it's smarter testing. And this isn't just for software, it's for all kinds of productizations. It can be for courses, it can be for playbooks, it can be for dashboards, it can be for even your book. You can write several different versions of your book in just minutes, basically. And you can get people to test out the titles and get feedback really, really fast. And the second way is the predictive part of analysis, which I find amazing and fascinating. And here's where it gets so interesting. AI doesn't just look at giving you information about a current market and the data around the current market. It can help you predict the future trends with unprecedented accuracy. If you give it the right input and the right prompts and the right data that's currently available, and all of the research that's already available, which we can get access to in a heartbeat today, and you put it into your prompt, you're going to get some amazing predictive feedback out. It analyzes social media conversations, search platforms, consumer behavior, and identifies emerging trends before they become mainstream trends. And it can even tell you, if you give it several different ideas or several different approaches, it can give you predictive feedback about which idea has the best chance for success and which ones are the most likely to fail. It's pretty fascinating. And the third way is it's automating quality assurance. So wrap your head around this. Traditional quality assurance might catch 70 to 80% of the issues, but AI-powered testing can identify up to 98% of the potential problems before they even reach users. It's testing 24/7, and it's learning from each iteration and becoming smarter with every test cycle. So as you start to roll out your pilot tests, it's starting to gather all of the feedback in real time and giving you updates, and you can now adjust accordingly. So let me give you a couple of real world examples that, the success examples that perfectly illustrate this kind of transformation. The first example is Tesla's manufacturing revolution. Tesla revolutionized car manufacturing by implementing AI throughout its entire product production line. Their AI system predicts maintenance needs before breakdowns occur. It adjusts manufacturing parameters in real time. So manufacturing is updating as it's getting feedback from these the AI data that's being reported back. It reduces production defects by 40%, and it cuts production time per vehicle by 25%. Massive revolution when AI was adopted by Tesla. And the result, they reduced their time to market for new features from months to weeks. Amazing. Case study number 2, Stripe's payment processing evolution. If you are a business owner and you use Stripe, you know that Stripe is a really it's one of the most widely used payment processors in the market today. And it transformed its payment processing by using AI to detect fraud patterns in real time, which is so important because the faster you catch a fraud, the faster you can prevent massive disruption, automatically optimizing payment routing, personalizing checkout experiences, and reduce failed transactions by 35%, which is such a big cost factor, right? Big cost reduction, an amazing advantage to have. Their AI system processes millions of transactions daily, learning and improving with each one. But here's what makes this really, really exciting. Let me share an example from my own consulting work. I've been using AI from the moment the doors were open to the public. And AI tools have enabled me to create my ProductWise division in a fraction of the time it would have taken in the past. So from the moment that I had the idea of launching it to the actual launch date was it was actually 2 weeks. And it would have taken me months and months before. Now, what was really breakthrough stuff was my favorite LLMs became my strategic brainstorming partners. I didn't have to pay them, and they were 24/7, and they were much smarter and less emotional than a lot of the people out there. And they had a lot more data to pull from. My branding and niche marketing, it became my branding and niche marketing expert partners. I had so many different options to choose from, and it helped me make a decision about my branding. That's how the ProductWise name became a reality. It became my sales and marketing collaborators. It allowed me to create my marketing funnels in 30 seconds and written emails and everything. It became my pilot testing developers and so much more that I'm able to do now for my productizing clients. So imagine you're developing a new service platform. Traditionally, you would need months of market research. In the old way, your team, your people, your teams, if you have them, or you would be spending months and months analyzing market data, and it would be manual and very very time consuming and monotonous. But in the AI way, you get real-time analysis of market trends and competitor movements and competitive prices and consumer needs immediately. You can just access this immediately with various different AI learning management systems. And you can also get extensive user testing very, very quickly. Previously, you'd have to use only limited focus groups and beta testing. And while these are still very important because you really want to be able to speak directly to your customers, AI can be the simulators of millions of user scenarios in hours, not months. And finally, it can also give you multiple iterations of features. So before you would have to do weekly sprint cycles with limited feedback. But today you can use continuous AI-driven optimization based on real user behavior. And it's gathering information and feeding it back to you continuously, and it never sleeps. And it also reduces the mistakes and the bugs that go into your product development and launching. Today, in the old way, you'd be using human testers only and following predetermined scripts. But now with AI enhancements and productization features, you can automate your testing, creating its own test cases based on user behavior patterns, and they continuously update. AI algorithms can now analyze millions of customer interactions in just minutes and think about processing every customer service call, chat, and email simultaneously and extracting these patterns that we would never see otherwise. We can identify optimal feature sets based on user patterns, and we can automatically test thousands of scenarios. I love the scenario testing. And even if you're not going to use thousands and you just want to use the 10 top scenarios, it's amazingly informative, and it gives you so much data to pick from. And it can deploy updates in real time just very, very quickly, because now we have AI agents. So AI agents are the implementers. They're not just the information providers. So, we can reduce it by massive percentage points, the time to market. We can decrease development costs because we don't need to hire every single expert. And we don't have to we don't have to expend thousands of dollars on development. We can actually do prototyping to get some feedback first and then hire developers. And we can get improvement in first time, right out of the gate deployments. It's just so incredibly effective. And I just want to say that for me, it's been so effective to be able to have a variety of AI tools helping in the development of the ProductWise division. And so many of the different ideas that we've been offering to customers have come through our AI tools and usage. And now we're going to the next level by developing a whole platform and a whole suite, a whole team of co-pilots just for you. So with the demand for AI knowledge and expertise exploding, AI tools and implementation of these tools are not only going to become monetizable, in terms of helping you improve your time to market and your quality to market, but they're going to become monetizable tools that you can sell in and of themselves, products that you can sell in and of themselves. And I'm going to be hosting live events and roundtable discussions on this very topic about how you can use AI as monetizable products in the very near future. And I'll be posting a link to that in the description box below. So check that out. And there's also going to be a progression of AI GPTs as information providers for you. I'm going to be evolving that in our ProductWise division, and they're going to be evolving into your virtual product managers. And so I can't wait to share that with you in upcoming sessions. So stand by for a lot of new stuff from us that use AI and show you how to use AI so that you don't have to leave chips on the table and money on the table for the competition to pick up. Because I will tell you this, that while AI is something that most of us are using on a day in and day out basis to get information, those who have AI know-how and expertise in applying AI are going to be the winners. And we're at the very, very early stages of a massive revolution. It's like the industrial revolution of the 2020s and beyond. So let's get with the program and make best use of AI. I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, if you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and get notified of my new videos that come out on a regular basis. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.